Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris, in the sales department at Randy Kuehl Honda in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. This video is for those who are considering to get into the new truck market, okay? I'm going to give you guys some basic information about the Honda Ridgeline, which is the only truck that Honda makes. So before you guys accidentally regret crossing off the list the Ridgeline and not taking it out for a test drive, because I know you guys are going to regret it, let's get you guys the basics to help you guys out before you make that well-formed decision, okay? If you guys want more detailed walkarounds, check out my walkaround videos. I'd be glad to show you all the cool standard features and functions to answer those questions. Now let's go and get the basic information right now. All right guys, let's start with the biggest question from the get-go is price. What is the price range on the Honda Ridgeline? Let's throw it right up here. Now, as you're taking that in consideration, let's talk about the available trims or packages that you can get with the Honda Ridgeline. There's 4 of them, all right? So you can start with the Sport package, is the entry level. From there, you get the RTL, okay? Then you get the RTL-E, then the Black Edition. So you got 4 of those trim levels. Comes standard with all-wheel drive, all right? No 2-wheel drive option, just all-wheel drive. And then you have a 3.5 V6 automatic 9-speed transmission, okay? I'll put horsepower and torque right up here. It just comes standard with a 3.5 V6, okay? So 5,000 pounds of towing capacity, seats 5 people there for you guys. Let's talk about the fuel economy. Let's do it right up here. Take a moment, take a look at the fuel economy there for you. And then from there, let's also talk about your interior measurements, okay? You know, you're gonna get some friends, family, cargo, whatever, pets are gonna be brave enough to tag along with you. You gotta know they're comfortable, right? Take a moment, take a look at those. Then from there, let's talk about some additional storage space. You know, you have a flat bed truck, 5-foot bed truck. What's the volume in there? Then also underneath that is you open up that dual action tailgate, pop that right open, right? The flatbed truck. You have an in-truck bed. How much space is in that in-truck bed trunk? It's right there. Now, I'll also post right over here some additional features and functions that you may not be aware of that's available on all trims, okay? Right there, guys. Take a look at it. Spend a little extra time for you. Now, if you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Drop your questions down below in the comments. I'd be glad to answer those questions. You guys want more detailed kind of a walk around? Check out my walk around videos. I'd be glad to answer those questions right there, give you guys some visual confirmation on what these look like. All right. See you guys at the next video. Bye-bye.